How to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium. To do this, you'll have to follow these steps. First thing first, you open up a browser and type in spotify.com, or maybe open up an application. And once you open up your application, you press the profile from the top right and the menu bar opens up. After which you want to click on account overview. Under account overview, you could find the list as subscription. Press on that. After which you'll be able to see the subscription plan in the left hand side, in the right hand side bar, where you could see your payment details, either to change or cancel or to update. So if you want to change or cancel, click the cancel or change button right in center, and after which you have to follow the prompt. And so basically that way you'll be able to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium. So with that, we've come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.